The entire layered carbon fiber mold is carefully wrapped in a breathable vacuum bagging film and sealed along. The sealed, vacuum-bagged carbon fiber chassis mold slides smoothly onto a motorized rack and disappears into a
locating pins engaged. Verify centerline position.
Position verified. Clear the safety zone.
Okay, the front pins are seated.
Rear alignment looks good. Apply pressure slowly.
Lower it slowly, watch the clearance on the bosses. Looks aligned. Hand me the titanium fasteners. Torquing now. Readout steady at 50.
What's the reading on the rear joint?
48 Celsius, holding steady.
Check the flow rate on the rear panel.
Adjusting parameter 7 now.
Interface. In a separate specialized booth, precise paint robots apply thick, premium-grade, high-gloss polyurethane
Clear coat fully hardened. Check the matte gunmetal texture.
Uniform curing confirmed. Ready for assembly.
The advanced dual-clutch transmission, a marvel of mechanical sophistication, is carefully bolted to the rear of the hybrid electric motor.
Check the polarity on the Bank 2 sensors.
Reading nominal. Secure the main connector.
The V12 hybrid powertrain assembly is cleared for vehicle installation.
Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance on the manifold. Clear. Set it down gently.
Final torque on the rod ends.
Specifications met. Geometry verified. Scrub radius is nominal.
Bright yellow coilover shock absorber assemblies are bolted into the inboard suspension mounting points, connecting the double wishbone suspension arms to the chassis.
The circulation loop is complete. Check the pressure connection at the thermostat housing.
Looks good. No stress on the bends.
A lightweight magnesium dashboard frame, a precision cast structural component featuring integrated mounting bosses for
The seat installation positioning is critical to driver ergonomics and safety. The seat must be perfectly centered in the cabin.
Aligning the rear mount. How's the laser looking?
Reads perfect. Go ahead and torque it down.
Lower it slowly, watch the clearance.
Got it. Lasers are active.
We are within tolerance. Secure the bolts.
Align the pins.
Torquing to spec now.
Confirmed, 35 Newton meters. Cycle the flaps.
The rear diffuser accelerates the airflow, generating crucial downforce.
Torque set to 20 Newton meters.
Confirmed. The gap alignment looks perfect here.
Handing you the next panel for the rear section.
That's the specified torque. Did you get the confirmation beep?
Yes, green light confirmed.
We're installing the carbon ceramic brake rotors now. These advanced composite discs offer superior thermal capacity and resistance to brake fade.
The mounted wheel and tire assemblies are placed on a computerized tire balancing machine, where they spin at increasingly
We're showing peak power right on target. Hybrid assist engaged.
Drivetrain efficiency is confirmed. Data logged successfully.
Test complete. Gauge reads 0.
Excellent. The sealing integrity is perfect.